Have you ever pondered what your unique role in this vast universe might be? Ever felt an itch to discover that one thing that sets your heart ablaze and aligns perfectly with your talents? Well, today, we're diving into the exciting world of finding your niche. The idea of a niche is all about unearthing that one thing that truly resonates with you. It's about finding what you're insanely passionate about and aligning it with your skills and expertise. When you discover your niche, you're essentially unlocking your true potential and laying a solid foundation for a fulfilling, purpose-driven life. So, how do you embark on this journey of niche discovery? It begins with introspection. Reflect on what truly brings you happiness, what activities instill a sense of fulfillment, and where your innate talents lie. Take note of the things that spark joy, the things that make you lose track of time. These are your breadcrumbs leading you to your perfect niche. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves and do some research. Explore the diverse industries and fields that resonate with your interests. Identify the opportunities that present themselves and the gaps that yearn to be filled. Your niche often lies at the crossroads of your passion, your abilities, and the needs of others. Once you've pinpointed your niche, it's time to spring into action. Begin by sharpening your expertise and refining your skills through education and practical experience. Connect with individuals who share your interests and seek guidance from experts in your niche. Surround yourself with a supportive community that encourages your growth. Remember, this journey to finding your niche is not a sprint, but a marathon. It demands time, effort, and a healthy dose of patience. But believe me, the rewards are worth the effort. When you uncover your perfect niche, every day becomes a purposeful adventure. Are you ready to embark on this journey to find your niche and unleash your true passion and purpose? Take the first step today and start exploring. Remember, the secret to a fulfilling life lies in finding what genuinely sets your soul on fire. Thank you for lending me your ears. If you found this video insightful and valuable, do consider subscribing to our channel for more content aimed at personal and professional growth. Until our next rendezvous, continue your quest for that perfect niche.